Welcome all my witchy, magical, spiritual, mindful friends. I am so excited for today's video. I feel like I always open with that. I should probably come up with something new, but I'm truly excited. So today we're opening a brand new subscription box to our channel, and this is one I've actually had on my list because a few of you recommended it. So I was super pumped when I got an email from the company wanting me to open their box. Of course I said yes. I know I've heard of this box. It was recommended most recently by Christine, I think Debbie too, and also Tara, and I wouldn't be surprised if Jessie told me about this box too. But anyways, you guys, today we're opening up the Mindful box by Mindful Souls. And I am super excited to see what we have. So this is a monthly subscription, and you get 6 to 8 items in each box, and it is all about helping you create a ritual for self-care. And I could totally use this box today. If I seem less mindful than I should, it's because I have to keep my mind also on my cat Emmy. She's a little sick. We were at the vet earlier today, and I realized I might have been more anxious than her being at the vet, because you guys probably know my story if you've been around. I've gone to the vet twice in the past year and a half and did not come home with my baby, so I don't want to get into it or I'll cry. But yeah, I could use some self-care and a reminder to take care of myself and my loved ones right now. So I am so excited. So let's see what it says. Yeah, it's $39.97 a month, and they were so kind to provide a code to get 20% off. So the link in the code will be down below if you guys are interested. Non-affiliated, it's just to help you guys out. So thank you, Mindful Souls, for providing that. And when I was preparing for this video, I saw on their website they're also having a holiday sale. So they have other items outside of the subscription. So check it out if you're interested, if you like this stuff. So you're supposed to get like crystals, home decor, like anything just to help you with self-care. So like lifestyle box, but in a mindful, spiritual way. So sounds right up my alley. Let's get this open. How are you guys doing, by the way? And did I mention how I think this is really cute? Good. But anyways, open it up. Same cute logo. It says, "You are the sky, everything else is just the weather." Pima Chadron. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but that is where I was reading it from. And then it gives us a visual or a picture of all of the items inside, and also gives a description. And it talks about like some important notes about like cleansing and energizing your crystals. So we have some crystals. It's exciting. What am I doing peeking at everything on there? But here's what it looks like. Oh, a card by them. Ooh, there's an affirmation for money. You guys know I've been trying to bring more abundance and prosperity into my life for many things, but including money. I could use some more. I mean, like most of us can. New opportunities to increase my income open up for me now. I love that. I love keeping stuff like this around. You can like put this on your fridge, on your desk, and it just reminds you, and you say it out loud, and the more you repeat things, I think it really does make a difference. So I love that. And then we have this little like face mask, like a one-time use, it looks like, and this is by the Pastel Shop. I don't know why I read that as a different word. Deep cleansing charcoal black mask. Nice. I've noticed I've had some like clogged pores, like more so than usual around my nose area and my cheeks, so I need to do some more masking. I don't know why. I'm good with my skincare, but not masking lately, so this is a good reminder. And this is one of the peel-off ones, but it's supposed to be non-irritating and gentle, and it's good for all skin types. Nice. Oh, and everything else is wrapped up in these little bags, but first there's this little piece of paper here. Is this a sticker? It says, "Open your eyes, open your mind." Emmy, where'd you go? I think the lights kind of scared her away. Poor itchy baby. She has been really itchy. She had an ear infection like 2 months ago. But by the way, here is the bag. I feel like I should explain that why I was at the vet, because I know some of you are probably worried. She's been really itchy, and it seems like her ear infection's back, and we think it's secondary to an allergy, likely food. So she's on a special diet, and it takes like months to know if that's the case. And I think she's crying for her wet food because they were out. I only have dry food right now. I have to get the other stuff. It's like prescription diet, and she can't have TRATs, you know. So let's move on though to this. I just want you guys to know she's okay. She's just itchy, and that was traumatizing. She wants her mama's attention, understandably so. But it looks like we have some citrine, and citrine's all about joy and abundance. Citrine's like the ultimate happy stone. It's yellow, which I think signifies happiness too. But this is a citrine point. I feel like it's very similar to my skin tone. Hopefully you guys can see it okay. But I love this. Let's see what they say about citrine. So a citrine point is believed to elevate optimism and energy to a place more able to manifest and accept opportunity. As you attract new possibilities, people, and energy into your life, prosperity and abundance will soon follow. In working with the solar plexus chakra, citrine warms the core to radiate power, centeredness, confidence, and endurance through the mind and body. Yay! I love citrine. I have several citrine points already, or like at least like a tumbled. I have one right there I can see. But I have crystals everywhere, and I heard putting this in the left corner of like the room you do work in, or any room, can bring in more abundance. But like you don't have to do all that stuff. But like my point is, the more the better, because I want the abundance. Start rolling in, please. Thank you. But let's move on to the next thing. These bags are so cute. I really do like their coloring and logo a lot. Mindful souls. Ooh, is this a citrine bracelet? Oh my god, this is so cute. I don't have any citrine jewelry, and this is adjustable. Yay! Abundance, joy, happiness, love, yes, everything good. Seriously, like everything good. It like amplifies everything when you have citrine around. Stone of light and happiness, and wearing it as a bracelet will strengthen your will, motivation, and determination for going after the things you want. That song, like money, like in the background, just came to my head. I want other things too. That makes me sound like I'm only chasing the dollar, but like, I mean, that enhances life. So more dollars I have, the more things I can do and enhance the world at the same time. Let's move on. So the bags look the same, just different sizes. There's one that's bigger coming up. And you guys, this is like a little snowflake obsidian turtle. How cute. Focus, not on me. Focus on the turtle. There we go. And I like obsidian and snowflake obsidian because they are protective stones, and I talk about this too sometimes. Everything I do is like about like spiritually wise, like witchy wise, is like about like manifesting abundance and protection. So let's see what they say. Snowflake obsidian is also known as the mirror stone. Oh, I didn't know that, because it's supposed to reflect evil eye energy back to the sender. Snowflake obsidian is associated with protection from harm and is said to break bad luck, while the turtle is a symbol of success, fertility, vitality, and great patience. Awesome. Diane, you sent me an evil eye, and I put it up on my wall where the neighbors are super loud. You guys may have heard. I've mentioned that, like, crazy things happen, like so much commotion and like scary stuff. And since I hung that up, I haven't heard anything. So like more protection too, like yes, but I forgot to tell you that. Thank you. But this is so cute. Did you guys see its little face? I'm getting like super excited. I was like super anxious all day, and now I'm like chilling out with my friends, you know, so excuse me if don't excuse me. I'm gonna be my happy word self and love this little freaking turtle. So cute. Let's move on. We've got at least 2 things left. So here's the bigger bag here. So it's very crystal heavy. You guys know I love that. Looks like we have, oh, there's 2 pieces in here, and I don't have any of this. I've heard of this stone though. They're clusters. This is red aragonite. So cool. Oh, I can show both at once. Oh yeah. I pulled out my crystal book the other day, and what was this in reference to? Let's read it. I can't remember. It's a stabilizing stone, and it's helpful for those who have focused on bringing more harmony into their life. Meditating with red aragonite can help to ground spiritual growth to the lower chakras and raise the overall vibration of the body. All about that, yes. Helps to create a deeper connection to planet Earth and release issues from the past and attachments in the present. That's probably what it was about, like root chakra and like inner child work and shadow work, which I'm like really like, it's really happening. I'm like always preaching that. I'm like, we gotta do our inner child work, but finally I'm embracing it, and it's like, whoa. So thank you, mindful souls. I need this. But let's move on to the last item, I believe. I love Witchy Wednesdays. I love any unboxing, talking to you guys, and opening stuff always uplifts my mood, but I needed it today. Oh, cool. Oh my god, it's a tree of life. And it looks like a big clear quartz. We have some jewelry and more crystals. This is very pretty. Can you guys see? I ask you guys questions like you answer in real time. I wish you could. Should I do live streams again? I love this. Is that like aventurine and amethyst? What is that? Well, yeah, it's clear quartz. It is wrapped in a magical tree with leaves of amethyst and green aventurine. Yeah. Green aventurine carries a strong connection to earth, while the amethyst improves concentration. To program the quartz with your intentions, hold it in the palm of your hand and focus on what you want to transfer into the crystal. The crystal's memory will download your intentions and help to manifest these goals. This is so pretty. And then in the bottom it talks, I think I already mentioned this, about cleansing and energizing your crystals when you obtain them. And then you can run them under tap water. You can do other things too, like smoke cleanse, or just like, you can just Google it and do whatever works for you. But there are certain stones that aren't water safe, just FYI, if you guys want to do your research before you put in water. But these ones they suggest it. And they talk about how rivers are a great place to cleanse. And you guys, if you guys are into this kind of thing, you should check out my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box, like shameless plug, but not really, because the weekly energy theme for this week was the river, all about like cleansing ourselves of the past, accepting who we are, like forgiving ourselves, forgiving others so we can move forward. You guys should check it out. I'll link that exact video down below if you guys are into it. I think it was really helpful. So you guys said the same thing, so thank you for your feedback. And yeah, if you like tarot, if you like all the stuff we're talking about in this video, I think you'll like my other channel too. Yeah, and then give some other tips. So thank you, mindful souls. I needed this. I love everything. I love crystals. I'm a crazy cat lady and a crazy crystal lady. But that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think. Again, they'll be linked down below along with that code. And they have their holiday sale, so everything's on sale right now. You can use the code down below. Again, not affiliated with me. They just gave it for my subscriber friends so you guys can save some money. But the holiday 20 in all caps, you'll see it when you go to their website. As of now, the day I'm filming this, they have a sale going on everything. So if you're into this, check them out. Thank you again. Thank you guys for suggesting this box. You were right. This is great. And yeah, I'm gonna go hang out with my baby Emmy, scratch your little head, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.